Get to the market action. Today is a big day actually because there's a party up in heaven. Big bull Rakesh Jhunjhunwala would have been celebrating his birthday as well. So, there's a party in heaven. There's a party on the Lal Street as well. And one thing I remember that Mr. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala always said is just ignore the noise and stay bullish on India. That was been his mantra, his theme. So, just thought I'll mention that at the start of my chat today. But let's focus on the markets. Have the Indian markets paused for breath? Or was yesterday the consolidation that we're looking at? Because we're just comparing Nifty as well as the Nifty Bank's performance yesterday. And you compare it with the 4-day average. So it's a little bit lower, both on the Nifty as well as the Nifty Bank. Is this the consolidation? Or are we in for a period of few days of maybe consolidation, catch your breath? I think that would be healthy as well. Yesterday, the headline index, no worries. The Nifty was up. The IT index did pretty well. And the Nifty Financial Services Index, well, that played out expiry. So that was the factor that played out. And that's why that has moved to around 20,500 odd with the names like the Bajaj twins, which are not part of the Nifty Bank, but they're part of the Nifty Financial Services Index. But from the broader markets, the Nifty Next 50, that was under some pressure. The mid-cap index ended in the red. And the small-cap index as well didn't outperform yesterday. So that's telling you that maybe the broader markets have already started consolidating a little bit. And I reiterate, this is encouraging, this is the healthy sign for the markets. What do the FIs do? They are going in all out. They're putting in money in the cash market. They added long positions close to 14,000 contracts. And now their gross long positions, just take a look at that number. It's almost 1.5 lakh contracts. That's the highest I've seen in a while. And the long positioning now has moved to around 72%. We have seen in the past, whether it's on the short or the long positioning, once it reaches that 75, 80, 85% odd, then we think that things are getting a little bit too comfortable for comfort. So, so let's keep an eye out on that front. Two strikes I'm looking at. One is the 19,400 put. When out there, you had a fair bit of writing that was seen with the premium at around 70 rupees odd. So we'll plug in the numbers in just a bit. But the 19,400 call, that is the strike that has the highest open interest. On the call side, more than a crore shares out there. Premiums around 52 rupees odd. You had the open interest that was up by close to around 28 lakhs yesterday. So the PCR is still closer to around 1.5. Yesterday as well, the India VIX from those bombed out levels, that was a little bit high on a day that the Nifty ended higher. So let's get the levels up for you on the screen. I think resistance zone is at around 19,450 going by the call writing. And that could be the zone that the bears want to defend. They've not been able to defend anything. But on the downside, till this 19,270 odd level is holding out, well, you'll say that that uptrend is pretty much intact. So some consolidation, that'll be healthy for the markets. Let's see whether or not today's the day for that. GIFT Nifty is suggesting 15 points higher.
All right, Nigel. Well, let's, let's hope that there is